Hey there, everybody. Kenny with Rasmus Auctions here, coming to you from a warehouse in Sterling, Virginia that's going to have this amazing bookbinding slash printing type auction. So come with me, let's take a walk around and I'll show you some of the stuff that's going to be sold. We got the drill press, we've got bench grinder, sort of different machineries. Got some more machines hiding underneath of the covers. Old school machines scattered throughout. Poly strapping machine, soldering machine, adhesive wax coating, more book binding, friction feeders, staplers, all types of goodies. Spinning back around, we got some more shrink wrapping, plastic wrapping machines. Drill presses, grinders. Even got a stereo system. It's going to be back here behind me as soon as I'm able to turn that way. It comes with 4 speakers, a controller, an amplifier. And we've got assorted home goods and other binding accessories. Velcro dots, wood sticks. We've also got assorted sports gear throughout: volleyball, basketball. This is the shrink wrapping machine by Shanklin. We got a couple more pieces over yonder. Paper packer module, paper ejector and stacker. We are also selling pallet racking. We're going to have 3 sets that are still assembled. They're 20 feet tall, 8.5 feet wide. Contents are not included. We're selling that in separate lots. But there's 3 sets of pallet racking. And then we finally have one more that is disassembled in the very back here. That has 2 different size uprights. Got 20 foot and 12 foot, along with more wire metal shelves and cross members. There's going to be a lot of cross members in this lot. They're all kind of different assorted sizes, but you should have enough to be able to create whatever layout you're looking for. And last but not least, down this way, it's more boxes, binding stuff, shipping. You got bubble mailers, spiral bindings, boxes, tubes, covers for the tubes, and more boxes on the back wall. All right, everybody, that does it for me. Thank you for tuning in and happy bidding.